Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel your order on Swiggy. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Swiggy app from your device. So once you tap open your Swiggy, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. Then you will be logged in into your account. After you are logged in, you need to tap on food is being prepared. This is the order that is being preparing. So once you tap on it, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So once you are here, all you need to do is simply tap on the three dots icon on the top right hand side of the corner, and once you tap on it, you need to now tap on help. After tapping on help, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So once you are here, you need to simply tap on I want to cancel my order. After you tap on I want to cancel my order, you will be now redirected to the chatbot of the Swiggy app. Once you are in the chatbot, simply tap on yes cancel my order option to cancel your order. Then you need to give them the reason why you want to cancel your order. Now simply by following the on-screen prompt or by calling them on their number, you can simply cancel your order on Swiggy. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.